Hey, what is up guys? My name is Mohammed Bilal and today I have Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus with me and we are going to do an unboxing of this phone. So let's get started. So here's the box. Today I don't have a tripod, so you have to bear with me in this case. And let me first remove the seat. And some specifications are written on the back of the box. 6.0 inches infinity display, dual camera, side fingerprint scanner. I have bought this phone in black variant. Remove this. Here is the actual box of Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus. Now at back of the actual box, some more specifications are written. 4G LTE, 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, 152.6 mm, 6.0 inches HD plus screen, 13 by 5 megapixel rear camera, 8 megapixel front camera, 32 GB memory, 3 GB RAM. So I have bought this in 32 GB and 3 GB RAM variant. There is another variant of 64 GB and 4 GB RAM variant. Let's unbox the device. So here is our device in black color, and let's put it aside and look what else is in the box. A, a quick guide manual, a case, a charger which do not support fast charging, data cable, headphones, and there is nothing else in the box. The box is empty. So this is how our device looks like. Let me turn it on. Boom. One thing is that the display type used in this phone is IPS LCD display, but in Samsung Galaxy J6 you get a Super AMOLED display type. So that's a flaw in this phone. Let me quickly pass through these steps and I will be back again. I just loaded the device out and fixed my old tripod because it's very difficult to capture videos having camera in one hand and phone in the other hand. So it's very difficult, so somehow I fixed my old tripod. Now coming to the point, to me first look is not describing the specs. It comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 with quad-core processor which can clock up to 1.4 GHz. I'm not going to say that. I am going to describe how I feel when I have a first glance on this device. To me, this device looks stunning when you have a first look on this device. The display is spot on and looks great with this wallpaper, and Samsung have used Samsung Experience UI in this phone. Now coming out to the design, the design also looks very great when you have a first glance at it. At the right side of this phone there is an lock key button in which the fingerprint sensor is located. In the middle there is the screen, and at the top there is a front camera, mic and a flashlight. At the left there are volume adjustment buttons, two SIM trays. At the back you have a glass body with a dual camera present at the middle, and at a bit right there is the flashlight. At the top there is Qualcomm branding, Qualcomm Snapdragon 475. Other than that there is nothing present. And at the bottom there is a USB charging port, 3.5 mm headphone jack. And now coming to the hand feel of this device is a bit larger one, 6.0 inches, and it does not fit in your hand properly. The sides are also made up of metal which give a good feeling in the hand. The sides of this phone are made up of metal and the back glass, which gives a really good feeling in the hand. Overall, this device on first look is a pass. Good device by Samsung, not by the specs but by the first look. I'm saying this by the first look of this device. Thanks for watching. This was the video unboxing. If you like this video, press a thumbs up on this video, and till then, take care and bye bye.